What's up guys? So today we're doing autocrossing. I'm a bit skeptical because the tires on my car are really not that good, and it's really, I don't know if you could tell by the weather, it's really wet out here, and yeah, it's just not gonna be ideal. I'm just taking this as a learning experience, and my goal is just not to hit any cone. I'm probably gonna crash, I don't know, I'm scared.
For emotional support.
That's the one thing they told me not to do. Like they just said, look, you know, just try your best not to crash. You know, that you can kind of spin off into the mud, but don't hit a barrier, don't do anything like that, because people will get mad at you. But other than that, I mean, the guys here, everybody here's been really nice to me. This just kind of goes to show you that you don't need a fancy car to kind of come do this. This guy's running his Honda Accord. So these guys are in the first heat, they're about to run. So there are already some people out on heat 1 that are already out on the track ready to go. But these guys are still, they're waiting here until those 5 or 10 people go, and then they called these next people out to go. I'm actually heat 3, so I still got some waiting to do, but I found out that I'm heat 3 work 2. So what work is that basically help kind of run the autocross event. I'm gonna be on corner 4. I'm in charge of, say if anybody on my corner like hits a cone or something after they make their pass, I run over and pick up the cone and set it back up. Just kind of, you know, everybody helps run it and everybody helps keeps it going. You gonna scoop at him? You gonna scoop? I think this is actually the E90, it's either the E90 or the E93? E93, yeah. So they came in 4 doors.
2017 SCCA Houston FS Champ car.
So he might have already been gotten past the rod bearing issue. So here I am sitting right here. I'm in the STR class. Yeah, you see what I'm worried about is, you know, look, I still got some good wear. I still got some good tread on my tires, but if you look at that, you can see that like on the inside, it's cracking. And that's because whenever I got the car, it had kind of been sitting for, I definitely feel like a couple months. So the tires aren't ideal. And I've already looked at some new ones I want. I'm gonna get some Firestones next. I'm gonna get them actually after this event. So next time I come back and, you know, here on out on the road, I'll definitely have some upgraded rubber. Also, I've been looking at wheels because these are 225s and then I have 205s in the front, and it's kind of just, it's not cutting it. I mean, even, you know, whenever VTEC kicks in, you know, I break traction in second if I'm like on VTEC. Yeah, I can't have that, especially on a day like this. So I think I'm gonna upgrade to like 245s or 255s. What do you think of wheels though? If you have any recommendations on whether you be an S2000 owner or not, autocrossing or not, let me know your recommendations. I already got some in mind, and here, take a look. So I was thinking these. I do like these. Adam liked these on this car. And I was also thinking these, the gold ones. I think those look really cool. Yeah, but I think they're really cool. But if you have any recommendations, please drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say. So this is cool. We got an M2 here. And then we got a ZL1 1LE. That's gonna be awesome to see it run. And then something that is really freaking gold over here is a Honda 2000 CR. For those who don't know, this is like the special edition, like this is like a track edition, hardcore version of the S2000. It's really awesome and it's fast. You see, I really want to do something like this too. I want to do the hard top, and that's also something with the CR. It's got those things to go back. But I really want to do something like that, a hard top. I don't know, I'm not too big on his wheels, but I do like the wing. That's cool. Aftermarket exhaust. And of course in the signature yellow. So yeah, mine's got some ways to go. But he's got 255s on the front and 255s on the rear. So, ooh, and he's got aftermarket brakes too.
2 hours later.
So I wasn't pushing it nowhere near enough, huh?
In the places where you had like long sweepers,
Yeah.
and any place past corner entry.
So the back right?
Yeah, go back here. And then
No, I meant like the back right corner. Like you think I could have been like a little...
yeah, absolutely. You could have been going 4 miles an hour faster.
All right.
That whole corner.
That wasn't too bad. Okay. That was a 58.282.
50.1. That is good for
Damn it. Last turn, what was that? 57?
STR 645 57.3.
Wait, was that better? No, that was a...
Wow, we got 3 DNFs in a row.
What?
10 SS44.
DNF.
Wait, me?
He's DNF
What?
somewhere out there, I've heard.
How was I DNF?
Allegedly, maybe.
Pretty sure you took a few
60.4, 60.4.
Did I?
Oh, you know what? You missed the first turn, I think.
No way.
I think you missed one of the turns, like one of the cones. Pretty sure on the first one, because it was pointing to the other side of it.
All right, last run. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about, baby.
And you didn't DNF.
Oh yeah, 56. 56.4. Move.
Wow. Lift.
Move. Well, that pretty much wraps up my first day of autocrossing this thing. The tires were pretty crap.
Yeah.
And There are definitely other. I got to meet like a number of different Honda owners, and just everybody here was just super nice and always willing to help. And it's really cool to have a community like that in this type of scene. So I'm really eager to get to do the next autocross event. I know the next modification I want to do is at least I want to get new tires, get new wheels. I really think that'll make a big difference, and then we'll go from there. But my brother and Adam are already asking, when's the next one we want to join. So I'm happy to see that they're gonna probably be joining us too. So that'll be great. I don't know when the next one is. I think it's like in like 3 weeks, maybe a month. But you can bet your ass that I'll be there. I'm so pumped to continue to do this because it was so much fun. My best time today, I set a 56.4. Was it a 56.4? 56.4. So I'm pretty proud of that. I mean, that guy right there, he set a 55. So I wasn't too far off. Now I think he only set a 55 on like his first or second run, but I talked to him and he was like, whoa, that's very good, that's very good. So I guess it's very good. So I'm excited for the next one. But again, let me know if you have any wheel recommendations, drop them in the comments. But I had a blast doing this. I can't wait for the next one. And I'm just, oh God, it was great. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Doing there? 69. Yeah.